firstly thanking the Lord for blessing us with 21 years of life. He didn't just bless me, but He also blessed me a mini me, annoying me. You know what? But I'm grateful to have her. I'm never alone. I have her, someone to grow up with. I also want to thank Mum and Dad. I also want to thank my brothers. Thank you, Nathan, April, Nicholas, Sonny, for helping Mum raise us. I also want to thank everyone here, but thank you, Auntie Mele, for taking us in. Thank you, Auntie Shell and Uncle, for looking after us when Mum went to Dubai. Thank you, Auntie Mina, as well. This is our village. You know how the say is, it takes a village to raise a child? This is our village. Thank you.
Yes,
I would have loved to have Nana here. Oh, thank you, Gary and Isha too, sorry. I would have loved to have Nana here, but Nana passed in 2018. And I just want to sing a song just to remember her. If you know the song, or Mike Yesu, you can sing as well. I'll just start us. Oh, Mike Yesu, neke mule,
Koe puhala whakakise, Koia mo tau tolu kine, Ua pehe ke o mai, Tō whenei ia moe fia fia, Ka mea e toko me tauala, Tō tututa, ai Yesu moko, e ke tukulangi ai.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Love you all.
Sorry about that. Today's not a day I want to cry. Today's a day I want to smile. Just a reminder of my mum not being here. Actually, I wore a dress. This is my mum's dress. And I wanted something of mum's here today. But like my girl said, I'm so grateful to mum.
Thank
She
you.
raised the brothers for 2 months. She lived with me to help me to raise them because it was just us. It was just my boys and my twins.